Shabbat Shalom, friends. This week's parasha is Parashat Chukat. And Chukat means regulation or ordinance or statute. So the parasha begins with Hashem telling the children of Israel what to do to be purified if they have touched something dead. He's setting a regulation and ordinance to be followed for purification. And the purification involves the burning to complete ash of a red heifer, and the mixing of that ash with water to create a substance to sprinkle on those who have become unclean because of touching something. But that is not the only thing in this parasha. It's full of things that we have heard about. Miriam dies in this parasha, as does Aaron. So Moshe loses both of his siblings. And in this parasha also, the children of Israel complain about the lack of water again. And Hashem instructs Moshe to speak to the rock for water to come out of it. But because he is incensed by the complaining and the murmuring and the behavior of the people, Moses is in his anger. He strikes the rock instead of speaking to it in obedience to what God had said. And therefore, he is told, you will not enter into the promised land. We're also told that neither Aaron will be allowed to enter, and Aaron died. This parasha takes place just at the end of the wilderness experience, just as they're about to cross over Jordan and enter into the promised land. We see them fighting battles in this parasha, and they are victorious over the king of Sihon and the king of the Canaan. And the parasha ends with the children of Israel on the banks of Jordan, just opposite Jericho. Now, the thought that strikes me most, I think, about this parasha is the question of obedience. Can we obey God when we don't understand what's behind his instruction? He gives unusual instructions in this parasha. Find a red cow, burn it, mix the ashes with water, speak to a rock. These are unusual and seemingly illogical things, friend, but obedience is key.